Welcome dear children, welcome to another video session. In this video, we will do the summary of chapter 15, Creating New Things, Pottery and Textiles. Dear children, all of you might have gone to an handicraft exhibition, or you might have seen at least in pictures some of the handicraft and might got fascinated by the beautiful displays of pots or decorated vessels of different shapes and sizes. So in this chapter is all about the art of this pottery making or textile making. Let us discuss the mind map of the chapter. Chapter 15, Creating New Things, Pottery and Textiles. In the first section of the chapter, we have discussed about who are artisans. They are craftsmen who will make things out of their hands, not with the help of any machines. And next we have discussed about the different steps involved in pottery making. They are collecting the clay, kneading the clay, shaping, drying, baking and glazing. So usually clay is collected from the banks of rivers or streams. And the collected clay, we need to knead it. We need to mix it with required amount of water and press it with our fingers so as to make it smooth and remove the lumps from the clay. This will make the clay more easy to work with. After kneading, we need to shape it. The potters will shape them either with their hands or with the help of a potter's wheel. And after shaping the clay, the pots are dried in sun and baked in fire. This will make the pots so stronger. And the final step in pottery making is glazing. Glazing means adding some liquids in order to give a smooth and shiny appearance to the pots made. These are some of the steps involved in pottery making. And next we have discussed about textiles. First we have seen the factors affecting the dress that people wear. It will vary from place to place. It depends upon their culture, the weather of the place and also the style. And we have discussed the traditional dresses of different states of India. And next we have discussed the steps involved in textile making. It includes collecting fiber, spinning, weaving, dyeing, stitching, etc. So we will discuss the steps in detail. So we will discuss the steps involved in textile making. First is collecting the fiber. Fiber for the textiles or the cloth is collected from natural means or they are synthesized artificially. And these fibers are spun into fine threads or yarns. This is spun of fiber. The process of making this yarn from the fiber is called spinning. And from the fine thread of fibers, these fibers are weaved into fine clothes through the process of weaving. Weaving is done either by hand operated looms or mechanized looms. Next we have seen dyeing. Dyeing is the process of adding color to a cloth. This clothes or the fiber, they are soaked in hot water and mixed with 3 or more colors in order to give it an attractive appearance. And finally this dyed clothes or dyed textile, it is made or stitched into garments of the desired shapes and size. This dyeing, it can be either come after stitching. The stitched clothes we can dye or we can dye the fiber itself. And in the last section of the chapter we have discussed how to bring creativity in textile making. Here we have discussed different methods like printing method, tie and dye method, batik method, painting and embroidery. So children, that is a mind map all about. Dear children, hope this video helped you to get the summary of chapter 15, Creating New Things, Pottery and Textiles. We'll see you all during interactive sessions. Thank you for watching.